Hello, dear friends. So, today I welcome you all to my very first French lesson. So, watch this video without skipping, otherwise, you'll be missing things and you won't understand certain things. So, let's start with greetings. So, when we meet someone, we are going to wish the person, and usually we say hello, good morning. So, good morning or hello is bonjour in French. It is bonjour and not bonjour. So don't stress on the N. Bonjour. Bonjour, comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? So comment is how and ça va is going. So how is it going or how are you doing? So this is the meaning of comment ça va. So you can repeat it with me. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? So bonjour, comment ça va? So the answer is ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien is going good or doing good. So I'm good, doing good. I'm okay. Thank you. Merci is thank you. Et toi? Et vous? So in English, we have only you and you. Okay? But in Hindi, in my local language, we have two forms like in French. So in French also we have two forms, singular and plural, and the plural form is also used for someone who you have to respect. So toi is for friends of same age group and vous is for respectful people. So when you when you're replying to a friend, you can say et toi. When you're replying to an elderly person, you are going to say et vous. So now, instead of repeating the same things as a recorded piece, we are just going to change the formula. So there are different formulas to say the same things, isn't it? So instead of saying ça va bien, we can also say je vais bien, je vais bien, je vais bien, merci, je vais bien, merci. So I'm doing good, thank you. Here, merci. Let us look at this word. 90% of the people, I think, you'll be pronouncing it as mercy. It's not mercy, it's merci. Don't give a little stress on the R and say merci. Merci is thank you. Okay, now let's summarize what we have learned. So we are going to say, let's say there are two people, A and B. So A is saying, bonjour, comment ça va? And B will be replying, ça va bien, merci, et toi? Okay, so you can repeat it after me. Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci, et toi? Now, let's imagine that somebody called Pierre is meeting Marie. Okay, Marie. So he's going to say, bonjour Marie, comment ça va? Marie is Mary and Pierre is Peter. Okay, Peter is Pierre in French. Mary is Marie in French. So, bonjour Marie, comment ça va? And you can use any name you have. Okay, so Marie is replying to Pierre. Merci Pierre, je vais très bien. Et toi? The word très here is very. So, très bien is very good. I'm doing very good. And Marie will reply, ça va. Hope this lesson was useful for you. If you have liked it, please hit the like button. If you are a first time viewer, please subscribe and don't forget to share with others. À bientôt. See you soon.